Hey, I'm Steve, and this is our brand new Kohler 13-gallon trash can with the foot pedal. This thing is quiet, and that makes my wife happy. The foot pedal is nice and wide where you can actually get your foot on it. So you don't actually have to bear hug this trash can to move it around. They give you this nice handle on the back of the trash can. This is a 13-gallon trash can, so you got a lot of room on the inside for your trash. The plastic trash container on the inside is easily removed so you can clean it. No fingerprints, no handprints, no fingerprints, no nothing, and that is great. I pulled a tape measure and the can is 26.5 inches tall, 11 inches deep, and 17 inches wide. I gotta say, this trash can is wife approved, and if she's happy, I'm happy. It is quiet, it looks great in our kitchen, and we like it. I think you will too. So if you're watching this, I hope you found my video helpful.